Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will review American Express Rewards credit cards. We'll explore the different types of cards available, focusing on how their reward structures work. You'll learn about earning points, understanding their value, and the best ways to redeem them for maximum benefit. We'll also discuss the importance of aligning a card's features with your spending habits to determine if an American Express Rewards card is truly worth it for you. American Express membership rewards points are a valuable currency. You typically earn 1 point per dollar on most purchases, but many cards offer accelerated earning in specific categories. For example, you might earn 3 points per dollar on dining or 4 points per dollar at U.S. supermarkets on certain cards. Meeting initial spending requirements can also unlock substantial welcome bonuses, sometimes exceeding 60,000 points, significantly boosting your rewards balance right from the start. Redeeming your membership rewards points strategically is key to maximizing their value. Transferring points to airline or hotel partners often provides the best return, potentially yielding 2 cents per point or more for premium travel. You can also use points to book travel directly through the Amex travel portal, usually at a value of 1 cent per point. While options like statement credits or gift cards exist, they generally offer a lower redemption value, so consider your goals carefully. Ultimately, whether an American Express Rewards card is worth it depends on your individual financial situation and spending patterns. If you can leverage bonus categories, utilize travel benefits, and redeem points for high-value transfers, the annual fees can easily be offset. However, for those with lower spending or who prefer simple cashback, other cards might offer better value. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Evaluate your lifestyle to see if an Amex card aligns with your reward goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.